Boom guys, so today we've got a new LDA RC remote control drift car with a bunch of special functions. So let's just get out of the box and test it. I just want to know if it drifts, guys. Look at the size of the box. It's tiny. So let's get out of the box and test those functions out. Might be a good remote control car for a beginner. It's supposed to be rear wheel drive. That actually looks decent. Detail looks good on it. So this is how it's looking, guys. I don't know how it's gonna drift. It's got rubber wheels on it, unless it comes with spare wheels, I don't know. So the special features on this, guys, must be the lights. I don't know what else this little thing is gonna do, but we'll test it. And then you get your remote control here, guys. This is how it looks. Let's switch it on. Okay, got some RGB lights on it. So if you get a couple of these, guys, as I'm seeing modeled there, from what I know, you can have this controller, yeah, this remote, set up to many of these. So say you've got 5 of these, you can use probably 5 of these on this one controller. So you got your USB charging down here. Just power it on. Right, so it's powered on. Let's see what all the special functions are on this. So, alright, so D turns on your blinkers, guys. As you can see, you got all 4 hazard blinkers on there, or whatever you want to call them, look. Yeah. Then E, oh, E flashes your headlights. So you've got flashing headlights with E. And then you've got, oh, so you've got indicators, guys. So left and right indicators. Flashers, blinkers, whatever you want to call them. So left, right, brakes, go, brakes, reverse. Oh, that's cool. Definitely got a bunch of special functions on this car, guys. I wonder how it drives though. Oh, that's proportional, guys. Literally. Wait, and it says it's rear wheel drive, right? So technically it should be able to drift. But I don't know any drift cars or remote control cars that use rubber tires like this, because it's gonna have, look, this grip. It's not gonna drift. Let's try. Nope. I don't know why they call it a drift car unless you can buy drift wheels with this, but the lights are cool. Look at the lights. Reverse lights. Okay, let's try and do a donut. I don't know about drifting, but the throttle and everything on this feels very good, guys. Look. Yeah, it's very proportional, it's very controllable. Right, boom. This floor's not the flattest, guys, but we're testing it. And this is rear wheel drive, yeah? So let's see if we can get a little drift out of it, but I don't think so. It's got good throttle proportion and steering, but it's just not drifty enough for me. This floor's bumpy, guys, yeah, so it's bobbling around. I'm gonna do little donuts. Donut! Rear wheel drive donut, let's go. It's actually fun, but I wouldn't call it a drift car. Banger, you guys need to change the name of that. This ain't a drift car. But it drives good. And this floor is not even flat and it's still handling it. I don't know how long the battery lasts, but We're gonna just keep going. And the indicators are working good, guys. Can you see them? No, man. This ain't a drift car. Donuts? Yeah. Donut. Come on. Nah, man. You can't drift this, mate. Man, go change that name. This ain't a drift car. I'm not gonna say it don't drive good, because it drives good. For a little tiny car, it drives better than the other little tiny cars I've had. But it's not a drift car. Yeah, guys, so I don't know. It's a dust catcher as well. Look at that. Ugh. Yeah. Wait, let's flash the headlights. Let's flash headlights, guys. Let's see if they flash. Yeah, look, they're flashing. So that's the little LDA RC drift car, guys, and I wouldn't call it a drift car, I'll just call it LDA RC race car. But yeah, if you're involved or you like it, links down below, guys. As I said, remember, it's not a drift car. Peace.